All right, so I don't have a video on this because this is what basically we went over is just the 3 different methods, but it should all be things that we've learned. So this first problem, you are graphing the, put a pen here, you are graphing this, so you have your 2 equations, y equals 2x, y equals x plus 5. They started graphing it like this is your y equals x plus 5, this is your y equals 2x. And so what you have is this ship A and ship B are both shining a light beam on a lifeboat out here, and so you have to figure out where that lifeboat is, and it's basically going to be like where these 2 lines cross. So where this line, if I extended it out, and where this line crosses. So if you need to graph those on another graph paper, you can, or you can just kind of like, because I know this slope is up 2 over 1, and this slope is up 1 over 1. You can kind of see like where those are going to cross. And so then you're just naming that point. On this one here, again, you're just graphing. So this machine is sending laser beams, and where the laser beams connect or hit each other, cross each other, that's where the hottest point is. So you're going to graph this y equals x plus 1 and y equals negative x plus 7, and then figure out where those 2 cross. All right, so then these ones, we did go over like what the equations would be for number 3. So I can give you that, but otherwise I'm going to have you solve that. So what we see with word problems is basically we need to set up equations, and we know we need 2 equations. So they're going to give us situations, 2 different situations. So at a store, toothbrushes cost X dollars. So we're going to make X be my toothbrushes, and Y is going to be my bars of soap. So one customer bought 2 toothbrushes, so 2 X's, and 1 Y, or 1 bar of soap, which is Y, and she paid $11. Another customer bought 6 toothbrushes, so 6 X's, and 5 bar of soaps, or 5 Y, and they paid $38. So then you're going to solve these to figure out like what is the cost of my toothbrushes, which would be X, and what is the cost of my bar of soap, and you're going to get decimals because we're talking prices, and prices are decimals. All right, and so then the other thing that we talked about was this one here, number 4. Mark and Stephanie are playing darts according to World Darts Federation rules. Each toss earns points depending on where the darts land. Each ring and sector is worth different points. So basically you have this like here, each of those rings are going to be worth different points. They land in 2 areas. So I'm going to make area 1, first area, X, and I'm going to make my second area Y. And again here, part A is to write an equation for this situation. Stephanie earned a total of 60 points. So the total together, 2 darts in the first area, which we made X, so 2X, and 1 dart landing in the second area, which is Y, and she totaled 60 points. And then Mark's darts landed in the first area and the second area. 1 landed in the first area, and 2 in the second. So first area is X, Y is my second area, and I get 75 there. So that's A answered for you. B is solving this. So you're going to solve this equation. And I would maybe write that down here. So you're going to actually solve the 2X plus 1Y equals 60, and 1X plus 2Y equals 75. So again, using either method, you can use elimination or substitution, but you need to solve this system of equation and this system of equation. Hope that helps. Otherwise, I can go through questions when you get back. And I put the standard check on Google Classroom. Have a great day.